There are places on Lake Champlain where summer simply feels different. This is one of them. For generations, campers have returned to this stretch of shoreline in Franklin County, not just for water, but for the tradition. Mornings begin with coffee overlooking 440 feet of private lake frontage. Boats ease out from the dock. Kids spend the day between the shoreline and the open fields. Evenings end under a pavilion filled with laughter, shared meals, and stories that get better every year. Set across more than 6 acres, this seasonal campground has grown into a true community. 84 leased sites, including 10 coveted waterfront spaces, fill each season with familiar faces and new memories. Just a short drive from Burlington, the Canadian border, and the festivals and farmers markets that define the warmer months, this property isn't simply well located, it's woven into the fabric of the region. With established infrastructure, multiple revenue streams, and a reputation built over time, this is more than waterfront real estate. It's a legacy property, a gathering space, and an opportunity to guide a beloved Lake Champlain tradition into its next chapter.